Good morning, everybody. We're going to try out the Instant Vortex that I have, 6-quart air fryer, and I'm doing my first batch of brownies in it. That's right, my very first batch. So you want to take a brownie mix of your choice and follow the directions on the back, whatever it has to say. So I'm going to pan you down so you can see what I'm doing. I might be able to get you down. I'm not sure. Let's see. Let's go. Hopefully it isn't bumpy. Oh no, not bumpy. Okay, there's the mix right there. And what you want to do is you want to put your oil in, whatever it says. Mine says 1/4 cup of oil. Then you want to put 1/4 cup of water right in, just like that. And then you want to have 3 eggs. And I think what I'll do is I think I'll just give these 3 eggs just a little whipping up here. I like to put my eggs in a different bowl before I put them in my mix because you never know what's going to be in there. You never know. And we're just going to do that, just like that. Then I like to use a masher. Or you can do whatever you need to do to mix your brownie mix up. Probably should have got out the electric mixer. Oh well. Suck it up. It works up good. Just like that. We like brownies. I don't know if you like brownies. You can put M&Ms, walnuts, whatever you want, taffy bits. I was thinking about putting some candy bits in, but I decided, being my first time making them, I wouldn't do it. So now that you see it's almost mixed up, I'm gonna pour it in a 8x8. This is aluminum. I wasn't sure what I could use in my pan here. So I sprayed the pan well and floured all around it. So I'll bring you back when I put it in the pan. I just want to say, as I put it on the rack, I noticed over here is a little higher. I probably should have turned it like this halfway through cooking, but it's not bad. It's pretty darn even, but I'll let you know. Looks great. I'll bring you back. Did cook a little up on one side. Kind of open. Okay, they're all done. I had 2 or 3 that was just a little gooey, so I stuck them in for a couple more minutes. But here it is cut. They look so good. I'm going to try this piece. Not going to eat much because I'm supposed to be cutting down on my sugar. Really good. You can't even taste the difference between being in the oven baked or having it done in the air fryer. The only thing I'm finding, the air fryer takes a little bit longer, and if they get a little bit too dark on top, just put aluminum foil over it. But I'll have a plate of it all at the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is an Instant Vortex 6-quart air fryer, and I'm loving it. I don't know why I left it in the box so long. Have a great day. God bless. Stay safe. Keep the world in prayer. And you never know what's going to be on my video. Have lots of faith. Bye now.